Alright guys, welcome back man, welcome back. Got the engine bay paint in black. The only thing I realized is the black paint, man, that thing take up so much dust so fast, unbelievable. So what I'm doing today is putting in the motor today. I don't know if it's gonna be you guys first look at the motor, or maybe you're gonna see the video when I was doing the wire harness. I may show that in there, but if not, it's gonna be the first look. I got headers on there, I got the dump pipe on there, and I got the full pipe out system right there with the blue gloves on top so the water don't get inside. I'm gonna take this off so I can pick up the engine and don't break nothing on here. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. This is where I'm at now. I just put on 2 new engine mount, and I'm about to put the subframe back into the engine so I can put it back into the car, and that's that. On this side. And I'm going in. Oh, look at that, boys. So we need to get it pushed in from there. I don't even know how to work this thing myself yet. Okay. Alright, I need to do a better job lining up this engine. One pole is lined up on that side. To get this all lined up a little bit. So the jack right up into place. That look lined up now. Okay. I need a jack in the back of the engine. This part is going to be easier, honestly, but as I can see, I'm using everything on. Okay, beautiful. Alright, this side get to go in. Hopefully the next side don't jump off. Alright, or I'm going to be careful when you pick up the whole thing. Okay, this one there. everything is perfectly lined up and going up. But I need to check the back of the engine, make sure I'm not breaking nothing off in the back. Because back here is close and touching, so I need to put by this jack the back of the transmission and then tilt up the transmission back up. That side is perfectly up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just sketch. This is up now. I can't find a real 9 yet, so I'm just gonna use this little one right now to do a big hole job. But I'm not really gonna tighten anything up. I'm just gonna use it just to hold it in place for now. I'm gonna put in the long hole too. I'll go up in here. Let's solve it out. There's some smaller. Maybe like I said, 18, okay. 18 is 18 fit on there for now, but kind of sure it's a 17. I'm gonna hold that right here for now. Let's see. Extension over here so we can fix faster. Where to go?
Now, where have you been?
Been working.
You've been working out here for a long time?
Yep. Beautiful. See right in there.
Dad, what is this door make noise? This one. Why does this glass door make this noise?
Maybe because I need the oil. I'm gonna oil it. So, okay. Alright, that's up enough to the point where we won't be coming off. Gonna try to catch the one in the back right here too. Let's put. Okay, lift that up for now. This is a G35 car and a G37 transmission. So the G35 transmission would be in this one because the engine mount, the transmission mount and everything is from a G37. So when I put it in this one, it's crooked. So I realized you got four as you can see, you got these are the two that wasn't using before, and they the one for the G37. We're trying to bolt it back in the same hole. You're gonna have some issue, so you're gonna have to bolt it in some to the next, to bolt them next to it. And that's with the G37, as you know, Nissan was making this car, they got G37 in mind already, because the coupe already come G37 in. I mean, not in this year, but cause this is an 07. This is an 07 car, so but I'm pretty sure they, if it is an 07 car, they got it all mapped out from way back. I was gonna get the jack, but I'm not gonna get it anymore. Yeah, it lined up. I don't know why this one is not going in though. If you spray them, they go easier than when they're not sprayed, man. So, okay, so I think this one is cross-threaded. The way. Battery run low. I'm gonna get the big boy gun, but so far everything lined up. So the big boy gun hit it harder. You know what I mean? I gotta be careful with this one. Alright guys, the engine is in. It's in there. Everything is screwed down and it's in there. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for today. Maybe you guys just get a separate video when I'm putting on back the front and all of that stuff, but or I just give you the video when I'm just starting it up. But as you can see, the G37, not no more G35. I call this a G37. All right. One thing I'm waiting for now, if you guys notice, you don't got no wire in the engine bay except for the wire that I just put in with the engine. All of the wiring those are supposed to run across back here into the bay. I took those out. I'm waiting for the G37 one right now to put it back in place, and that's the reason why I'm not gonna be in a rush today to trying to fit up this whole car, because I got this whole thing on the here because the harness come right into the fuse box and come right into this thing right here. So that's where it is, and you go to the brake and the gas pedal from straight out the engine. So all of that stuff, it's gonna either be in a separate video or in this video, I don't know yet. But this is my intake manifold. Paint both them little side red. It didn't actually come like that. I just painted it myself. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I was trying to change my speedometer to a G37 one, but I didn't got no electric to the car, so I can't really do nothing right now until I got electric. And another thing is under the car, my steering is bucking on the headers. Malachi, come here. Come turn my steering wheel for me. Turn my steering wheel for me. See that, guys? That's a sad story. Okay, Malachi. That's sad, man. So, and that's a big hit. And the thing is, these are some G35 headers. So it's knocking on it's hitting the engine real hard. I mean, I don't know if it's the engine mounting that I changed, make it a little bit lower, or are the headers just so cheap to the point where they just make them and didn't make them properly? So that's it. I got some issue right there. I'm gonna have to take out the steering piece right there to the rack and pinion. Yeah, that I'm gonna have to get that off, and it's either I'm gonna put a dent in the headers for it to clear, or we have to get some G37 headers. I'm gonna have to take back the engine out, but I have a plug up anything. Once I realize the issue, I just call it a day. But it's easy now. I just drop the subframe and everything is done again. I mean, the hard part was just to line it up with the bolts and stuff like that. But that's, I'd rather have to do that right now than connect everything and then have to take it back down. So I'm just gonna take it out, put a dent in the headers. If it is gonna stop the flow a little bit, but as you can see, a manifold of them with the stock G35 one, I couldn't get them separated from right here. I couldn't get it separated, so I was trying to cut this off, and this is the one for the left side that I need right now, and I can't use it. These are the G37 one that come with the engine, but the guy, I guess he was having the same issue. He cut it off right there on both of them. So I don't got a manifold right now, and I don't plan on buying another one and have the same issue. So I'm just gonna knock it in, put a little dent in there. This side is good.
Soon after.
Alright guys, so this is what I do right here. I beat this thing in, man. I know it's crazy, but I need this car up and running, and I'll just show you guys the other manifold. They both messed up for this side, and this is the only one I got right now, and I need it on the car. So as you can see, I got, okay, it can sit now, it can sit straight, and now you got even a little bit more play to go over. So I'm gonna leave it at that right now. This is where I believe it sit. First it was sitting like this. This is where it was sitting before, but this thing was like all the way out like this. So I'll bang all of that in, and now I get to run headers. I know they might not look 100, or I'm just being cheap. Oh man, sometimes you just have to make it work. Just like a lot of stuff on this car, I'm gonna have to make it work, because I know everything not gonna fit. I'm plugging the way I want it. So, a lot of stuff I might have to make it work. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up, man. And as you can see, man, the engine is back in. You guys want to know if it's gonna run, or if it do run, what it's gonna sound like. So stay tuned for that, man. See you guys on the next video.